Hello everybody, this is Danny from Deep South Homestead. Out here in our garden again today. Guys, the sweet potato vines you see behind us here, this is purple sweet potatoes that was sent to us by a subscriber, some slips. We planted 5 plants in this bed. Now this was our carrot bed and we harvested our carrots. We didn't want to just leave it sitting here uncovered all summer, so we planted those 5 sweet potato slips in here, and they have pretty much taken over because this bed is just so rich for the carrots. They're growing all into our trellis system here we had for our rattlesnake beans in our back to Eden. We're going to be taking all this stuff down. We got to clean this mess up again. We're going to be tilling all this in. We got to get ready to plant carrots. Just trying to get our garden back in order because the back to Eden thing kind of screwed us up pretty bad. It was just more work than what it really should have been, and we would rather do it the conventional way. It's a lot easier on us, not near as much work, not near the amount of weeds that we have to contend with, and 2, the sweet potatoes is just grown everywhere here, so we want to get them out. And these are the purple ones, and they're not necessarily our favorite sweet potato. We had never grown them. We dug the first half of the bed, took some of them in, let them cure and cooked them, and we did a video on it talking about how we thought they tasted and the differences between them and the red ones and stuff. And we're going to be probably keeping some for slips because we don't think that they're a total waste. I mean, some people really like that kind of a dry taste. It's not a sweet taste like the red ones are. I feel sure that my dad would have liked them when he was younger because he loved the white sweet potatoes, and these remind me a lot of the white ones about their texture and their taste. But we're going to go ahead and finish digging the rest of this bed and get this thing cleaned up. Now we're having to work between the rains. It has rained here habitually day after day after day, and we're just trying to get in between the showers to see if we can get some things done. So we're probably going to feed the vines to our cows because they love these sweet potato vines. We don't want to waste anything here at Deep South Homestead, so we got to get busy before the next, who knows, rain shower pops in here on us. And guys, we're going to be getting this bed, like I said, ready for carrots. It's time of the year to do that. We've had so much rain. I want you to look at the potatoes. When you see these long roots coming off of them, all these hair roots like this, this comes from they've been in the ground too long, too much water, ground too long. They should have already been dug. They just look hairy. See how hairy looking they are? That's not what we want. They may even be a little bit stringy. We'll have to just wait and see. But nevertheless, we're going to try to get these beds cleaned out here. And we're going to try to see if we can't get some carrots in them and get our fall garden taken care of. I mean, the vines behind us here, we're going to try to see if we can't take those and get them fed to the cows and just at least get a lot of benefits out of this. But guys, we're going to move over to the next bed and see if we can't get them dug. and just see how many pounds of purple sweet potatoes we ended up with, because we probably, out of this one bed, only got maybe 20 pounds out of this one bed, because we've already ate part of them, trying to experiment with them and see if we really liked them. We have some in the house in a bucket. We come out here and dug a few more. There'll be some of them be fed to the animals just for feed because they're too little. And that's just simply because we had too much rich dirt in this bed. And when you have that, sweet potatoes just do not do good. Now, the sweet potatoes need some fertilizer, but not as rich as we keep the carrot bed. And keep in mind, the only reason we've done this, we want a cover crop for this carrot bed over the summer, because we don't grow carrots in the summer here. They are extremely bitter. So it's fall. It's time to put carrots in, so let's get these beds cleaned up. I got one more over here to go, and we're gonna see if we can't get that one done. Okay guys, we got through digging this sweet potato bed up. Ended up with about 40 pounds of purple sweet potatoes total. So I think that's pretty fair for a new potato here on the place. Ended up some very nice ones, can't complain. You know, probably 12 inches long. Just beautiful potatoes. We'll be saving some for slips for next year. We'll be canning some, making some purple sweet potato desserts, some different things there with it. And most of all, we got to go in here and get this bed fixed back for carrots now, because it's carrot season, guys, and we got to get these things done, get it fertilized again, and get it all kind of leveled up and taken care of so that we can get our carrots going. So thank y'all from Deep South Homestead.